This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Cul-de-sac living is made easy in this all-brick ranch located in Rosemont Forest. Adding your personal preferences and a little TLC can easily make this home move-in ready. Features you do not want to miss are the high ceilings in the living room, all first-floor living, an abundance of natural lighting for cozying up with a book next to the fireplace or space for entertaining, and a large backyard with a blank slate for personalizing. Conveniently and centrally located to dining, shopping, entertainment, colleges, medical facilities, and more. For more information, review the details below.